Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever looked at your Acorns account, dreaming about that next investment, and wondered, how much can I actually toss in there at once? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns' mobile deposit limits. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about why this even matters. Understanding your deposit limits is like knowing your spending limit at the mall. It helps you plan your financial moves, avoid unexpected fees, and maximize your investment potential. So, buckle up, because we're about to spill the tea on Acorns' deposit limits. Now, you might be thinking, it's simple, right? Just check the Acorns website. Well, not exactly. While they do have information, it can be a little scattered and sometimes, technical jargon can leave you scratching your head. That's why we're here to break it down into plain English. Let's start with the basics. Acorns, as you probably know, is an investing app that lets you round up your purchases and invest the spare change. But it's also a checking account. And that's where things get interesting when it comes to deposits. So, what's the mobile deposit limit? Well, the short answer is, it depends. It depends on a few factors. Type of deposit: are you depositing a check or transferring money from another account? Your account status: how long have you had your Acorns account? Is your debit card activated? Acorns' internal policies: these can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Generally speaking, there's usually a daily limit for mobile check deposits. This is to prevent fraud and protect your money. You might also find limits on the total amount you can deposit within a specific time frame. But here's the thing, while there might be limits on mobile deposits, there's often no limit on transferring money from your external bank account into your Acorns checking account. So, if you need to move a larger sum, that could be a workaround. Now, let's talk about fees. Because let's face it, nobody likes fees. Acorns generally doesn't charge fees for mobile deposits, but it's always a good idea to double-check. There might be other fees associated with your account, like overdraft fees or ATM fees, so be aware of those. To sum it up, understanding your Acorns mobile deposit limits is crucial for effective money management. While there are some general guidelines, the specifics can vary. Always check the Acorns website for the most accurate information and be aware of any potential fees. And remember, this information is based on our research and understanding at the time of making this video. Things can change, so it's always a good practice to stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on growing that money tree.